Can you believe that you can apply a huge force on an object and still do zero work? Sounds strange, right? Well, in physics, work doesn't mean the same thing as it does in our daily life. Let's understand work in a very simple way. So, work is said to be done when a force causes displacement of an object. Okay, here is the formula for work. Work is equals to Fs cos theta. F is the force applied, S is the displacement, and theta is the angle between the force and the displacement. Now here is the interesting part, the value of cos theta. The value of cos theta decides whether the work will be positive, negative, or zero. So you just remember these three values of cos theta. Cos 0 degree is equals to 1, cos 90 degree is equals to 0, and cos 180 degree is equals to minus 1. And these three values make the whole concept super easy. So the first one is positive work. When the force and displacement are in the same direction. Okay. So here theta is equals to 0 degree, and we know cos theta is equals to cos 0 degree is equals to 1. So here the work done is positive. For example, pushing a box forward and gravity pulling an object downward. Okay. Next, negative work. When the force and displacement are in opposite direction. Okay. Suppose the box is moving forward but the friction acts backward. So here force and displacement both are in opposite direction. So the theta is 180 degree and cos theta is minus 1. This is an example of negative work. Friction acting on a moving object and pulling a box backward while it moves forward. Next, the third one is zero work. This is the surprising work. Okay. Imagine we are carrying a bag while walking horizontally. Your hand applies an upward force, but the bag moves horizontal. So here the F and the S are perpendicular. So here theta is equals to 90 degree and the value of cos 90 is 0. So this is an example of zero work. So you just remember that work depends on the angle between force and displacement, and remember the three values of cos theta, cos 0 degree, cos 90 degree, and cos 180 degree, and W is equals to Fs cos theta. We will put the value